activewear. It's supposed to represent health, movement, wellness. But many of the materials we wear every day rely on chemical coatings linked to long-term environmental and health concerns. PFAS, often called forever chemicals, are commonly used to create water resistance and durability in textiles. But those same chemicals persist in the environment and may even absorb through our skin. So, we asked ourselves, what if performance could come from nature instead? Maízein Movement is developing a bio-based coating system for cotton and other cellulosic textiles. Using zein and beeswax, we're exploring a cleaner alternative to synthetic performance coatings, designed to improve water resistance while maintaining softness, breathability, and comfort, because performance should not come at the cost of health or sustainability. The future of activewear isn't just about what we wear, it's about what we choose to depend on. Maízein Movement, performance inspired by nature.